Ronaldin, um, dati nasigawan kita, no? Pasensya ka na. Pero at least nung nasigawan kita, di ba umamin ka naman, di ba? And
Point of
you
order,
were able
Mr.
to
Chairman.
give us so many information. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Lahat po tayo medyo pagod na rin. So, I'd rather submit my closing remarks to the COMSEC, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you,
Mr. Chairman.
Paduano.
Mr.
Thank
Chair.
you. Yes, Congressman Fernandez.
Since we are going to deliver na yung mga closing remarks natin, ito na po yung katapusan ng ating pong hearing. And most likely other witnesses will not be longer be invited in the next hearing 2 weeks from now. But before I do with my 2 statements of closing remark, this representation would like to invite in the next hearing Attorney Aden Sigua of the Municipal Legal Officer of Bamban nung time ni Mayor Alice Guo, si Attorney Richard Chan, OIC ng Anti-Money Laundering Council, and also Attorney Eileen Paulette De Jesus, Chief Compliance Officer of China Bank, Attorney Federico P. Tangcoco, Chief Compliance Officer of BDO, Attorney Cynthia Santos, Chief Compliance Officer of Asia United Bank. This will be so helpful with our investigation, Mr. Chairman. And lastly, maraming po salamat sa lahat. All those who are sleeping already, marami pa po tayo nakita kanina, Mr. Chairman, na nakapikit na po mga mata. And to those people, the resource persons that a while ago, kung nakikita niyo po na nagtataas po kami ng boses, pasensya na po kayo. Wala po kaming intention na naawayin kayo. We just wanted to find out yung truthfulness ng mga sinasabi po ng ating mga resource persons. And I know that we've been here for already 13 hours and pagod na rin po tayo lahat. And sometimes yung physical body natin are giving in, but yung ating pong mental capacity to speak is more being aggravated by our feelings. So maraming po salamat sa inyo at I hope that we will be seeing each other again. Si Mr. Tony Yang nakapikit na, antok na, kawawa naman. Antok na po kayo. Yeah. So yun lamang po at Cassandra, pasensya ka na kung nagagamit tayo sa TikTok. Alam mo naman mga TikTokers ngayon, no? And medyo baka nakakaya kay ano pangalan na?
Bakit
Si
si
Walden?
Cassandra? Kanina si Caro lang
Sasabihin
sinasabihan mo.
sasabihan ko rin si si Ronaldin Baterna. Ronaldin, dati nasigawan kita, no? Pasensya ka na. Pero at least nung nasigawan kita, di ba umamin ka naman, di ba? And
Point of
you
order,
were
Mr.
able to
Chairman.
give us so many information. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Stephanie, maraming rin salamat sa iyo kahit nabobolja ka ni Congressman Abante, no? And also to Alice Guo. Alice Guo, I hope the truth will come out, no? I hope that if yung Father who created us all, no? Kung talaga nakita niya puso mo na malinis, then He will set you free. Pero kung makita niya na talagang you lied, ano, in front of Him, then you will take the repercussion and the consequences. So, pasensya na po kayo. Yung apat na yun lamang po ang sasabihan ko. All others, hindi na po. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman, at magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Salamat ng
Mr. Chairman.
marami, Congressman Fernandez. Yes, Congressman Paduano.
Mr. Chairman, before we suspend, Mr. Chairman, we would like to greet Attorney Xie, inabutan ng birthday dito, COMSEC of the Committee on Good Government. Kindly approach the... Tumayo ka para mag-wave ka naman. Birthday mo ngayon. Happy birthday, Attorney Xie. And lastly, Mr. Chairman, there is a request from the PAOK that the contempt order and the second motion for the detention of Tony Yang for the city jail will be amended And I have already asked Chairman Abante that instead of City Jail, Tony Lim, tama? Tony Lim will be detained in the premises of the PAOK TF.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, Honorable Chairpersons.
Do you agree, Chairman Benny?
I agree.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. And finally, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga resource persons. Doon po sa hindi nakapagsalita, salamat sa papanood. Doon sa mga next hearing ng Quadcom, you will still be invited. And thank you again to everybody. Good morning. Session or hearing is suspended.